Hello everyone, today I'm happy to show you a platform where you can stake your Ethereum in a very easy way. And to get started, you just need to connect your wallet and sign a smart contract transaction. My wallet is already connected, so I simply move into my dashboard. And guys, this is what my dashboard looks like. I will say it again, this platform is very clear and user-friendly. Everything here is intuitive and simple. And by the way, my 30-day staking period has already been completed, so let's withdraw the funds and continue. I'll click withdraw and wait for funds to arrive. But before, I want to tell you that platform is available for users with total AVM token balance of over $300, and it's designed around short-term staking mechanics, which may offer more competitive rewards rates compared to the long-term options. So let's click withdraw. And as you can see, I received a notification in my wallet confirming that the staked tokens were successfully returned. So guys, this is once again shows the transparency of this platform. Now let's check my Ethereum balance. Everything looks correct. Since the process worked as expected, I will go ahead and stake again. This time I will stake the full Ethereum balance that I have, and I will do it for 2 weeks. Guys, my profit gonna be around $300. It's just amazing, guys. We can click stake. Excellent. The entire Ethereum balance has been staked. Everything is now active on chain, and you can follow the process directly through your wallet and the smart contracts interaction. This was Samir. See you soon.